If you're looking for a hot or warm beverage to give you energy, vitality, and boost immunity, you might want to try these two hot beverages for breakfast or anytime you want a warm drink. I love this mug. These will not give you the jitters or energy crash and is super delicious and healthy. Welcome to our health and wellness family. Let's start with some matcha green tea. Matcha green tea has high levels of antioxidants which protect the cells. It also improves heart health and liver health. We're going to use about half a teaspoon. Matcha also reduces inflammation, stress, and anxiety. Add some hot water. Matcha provides stable energy and it also has L-theanine. Matcha green tea also helps with detoxification and digestion. Use your bamboo whisk to mix evenly. Add 1 packet of stevia. We're going to use about half cup of coconut milk. Pour the milk into the cup. Add some cinnamon. Cinnamon helps with blood sugar control. It also has anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antimicrobial properties. I also added some nutmeg. Stir evenly. This is so delicious and healthy. So tasty and comforting. Now for our second hot beverage, chicory root powder and mushroom powder. Chicory root fiber supports digestive health and may help to stabilize blood sugar levels. Now let's start with 1 tablespoon of chicory root powder. Now for our superfood mushroom blend that provides energy, helps you to focus, and helps with overall immunity. Add about 1 teaspoon of mushroom blend. Now add some hot water. Add about a half a cup of coconut milk. Add 1 packet of stevia. Stir evenly. You can add some coconut cream if you like. Next, add a good dose of cinnamon. Add some nutmeg. Stir evenly. So there you have it, 2 delicious and healthy cinnamon hot beverages. Enjoy! And for more healthy recipes like these, you can check out my book and my natural and holistic health course at shirleenwees.com. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.